Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Dr. Skin Hollow Strap-On. So let's get started. So this is the hollow strap-on itself. Now the dildo itself measures in at 7 inches in length and has a very realistic design with a vane shaft and a round head just here. Now the material itself, although feels soft, it's a harder material compared to other Dr. Skin dildos in the collection. It's also hollow on the inside, and the strap-on harness is completely adjustable and is also made of an elastic material to ensure the perfect fit. You can adjust your size using the press studs as shown to ensure your perfect fit. Now make sure to clean the strap-on dildo both before and after use. This is to encourage good hygienic use for this toy. You can do this using either toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or alternatively you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Dr. Skin Hollow Strap-On. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.